You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to ASTRinstitute.com.
Donna, what's going on with your shoulder?
I broke the ball of my humerus.
How did you break it?
Correct.
Okay. You fractured the head of the humerus, and when that happened?
April 19th.
April 19th, we are in August, about 4 months. How much pain from 0 to 10?
At this present time.
5. So is that constant pain?
Oh yeah, it never goes away. It may go down to maybe a 2, 10, 12 at
Oh,
times.
severe pain. What aggravated?
At certain movements, I've always been very active. When you break the humerus, it's not in a cast.
You just wear a sling or
Yeah,
something
you're
like that.
sleeping,
Yeah.
sometimes you get you injured, and then you do
Yes.
something you don't do,
Yeah.
and then the pain.
Yeah, you start to have muscle spasm and a lot of pain. And so, can you tell me what kind of treatments you had so far for your
I've
shoulder?
had chiropractic care. I've had acupuncture.
Okay.
I've had deep muscle work,
Massage,
stripping of the muscle, breaking of the scar tissue.
but he's still feeling pain.
Oh, yeah.
Any other symptoms?
I tore my subscapularis. It was up in front. It was hard to keep your shoulder back.
Neck limitation in range of motion, very stiff. Can you show me how far you can go up? Pain, that's as far as you can go. Stop, lower. Let's do abduction this way. That's tight too. All right. So,
I go back. Don't ask me to do that.
yeah.
Like when you're trying to undo your bra.
Yep, so you're very limited with the range of motion. Let me see your neck range of motion again. Extension, flexion. Oh, you're really stiff. Rotation, left and right. You're very stiff. And side bend, left and right. How much, does that aggravate your symptoms?
I have a high tolerance to pain, so my 5 could be someone else's 8.
Oh, okay. So can you background about your professional?
Oh, I've been a sports therapist for 21 years. I work
Yeah.
on professional athletes and also weekend warriors.
Very
I know,
active.
I know
Yep.
nutrition, I know my muscles, I know everything.
Beautiful, yeah, yeah. Okay, so as I mentioned, you should not aggravate your symptoms. So I'm gonna take a few measures and then we'll start the treatment.
Okay.
So your head up a little bit and relax. You're gonna take your range of motion. Let's do flexion. And stop when you feel pain. Is that painful?
Right here.
Okay. So it's about 100 degree. Can you see that? Okay. It's about 100 degree. Relax. Bring you the abduction. Okay. Bring it up toward your ear without bending your elbow. Right there. Okay, that's a 50 degree. It's 50, believe me. Yeah, believe me, it's 50 degrees and 100 degrees flexion. Okay, relax. I can get the instrument and we'll work on it.
Tell me you did that right.
Okay. Right. Okay, yeah. So I have this tools. It's ASTR tools. I use it to release fascia restrictions. You can feel it. So that's what I do here instead of using my hands.
That's like Nick. Me? That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, come on.
Yeah.
I just had to see it for myself. No.
Yeah. You can play with this, but don't show it in the camera.
I will.
Yeah. So I have 4 patterns on this innocence, and that's what I use to release the fascia instead of my hand. You feel pain with that? You feel tightness here?
Yeah, I do.
It's not moving, so I'm gonna release it. How does it feel now? You feel the mobility?
I feel it moving.
Yeah, it takes seconds. That's with the ASTR. You feel the tightness here? I can see it in the camera. I'm not able to go further because the restriction of her fascia. So in a few seconds with using ASTR instrument, and you can see the movement here. Look at this. Make sure you get her face too. All right. How does that feel? You feel the movement? Yeah. I'm using those terms just because you're professional. You know what I'm talking
Yeah.
about. So I have an instrument to release superficial fascia and also another instrument to work on the deep fascia. So that's what we're going to use based on patient presentation. How does feel? Can you describe
Oh,
how this feel?
this is very, I'm not feeling any pain. I can feel you getting into the muscles, into the scar tissue. As a patient and a therapist, you're on the right track.
It's okay. Make sure it's not painful. You feel now the mobility of your fascia?
I feel it now, it's tight.
Yeah. And just moving very smoothly. That's good. You can see here the tightness too.
I
Make
just
sure
felt
it's
it
not
just-
aggravating.
I just
your
felt it
symptoms.
pop just by you doing that.
So you see the mobility now? It's very effective. And I'm not using my hands much.
You're not digging
with-
your fingers in, you're not digging
you know,
your thumbs
the
in.
instrument does the work for you. You don't have to kill your hands to just help patient.
That's
So-
add life to a therapist, you know that.
Yeah, the goal is not to kill the therapist to save the patient.
Well, you know
You want to
what?
save both.
Lifetime for a therapist used to be
Yeah.
7 years.
It's sad because I worked with a lot of therapists in 1 to 2 years. They decided to go to teaching because,
It was too taxing.
and I was like, man, what am I getting myself into? But with this instrument, how does feel? This is for the scar tissue. Make sure it's pain-free.
It is.
So you feel this bump here?
Yep,
Is that feel?
it's fine.
So I'm using a different instrument. This lotion is just lubricant. It's not. There's nothing gonna make any difference with the
So
lotion.
it doesn't matter if you use Biotone or you just buy something off the street.
I will give you the brand. There's a good brand for lubrication. It's not gonna make a difference for the results. It's just lubricant. You feel this like a washboard. Is that painful?
It's fine.
Can you explain to me how this feels different than using the therapist hand to bring the
Okay,
tissue?
look, it's less invasive, getting the results
Yes.
without having to go in so deep that it's pain. As much as you breathe and relax, as it pushing you,
Deeper, yeah.
as it pushing deeper, your muscles tense up. This one, my muscles aren't tense.
You
I'm
actually-
pretty relaxed.
The problem I have with this approach, that if you tense up and go deep and you feel pain, that's causing new trauma. So you're actually breaking scar tissue, but you're causing a new trauma and then build a new scar tissue, which actually contradicts with what you're doing. You fix something and break something else.
Yes.
If you are too aggressive. That's why I disagree with the painful deep release, because there is a gambling with that. And how does it feel now?
Good.
Yeah, awesome.
It's like, how can I say it? It's like using a loofah, but not without the loofah.
This is not loofah. We have a patent for it, and it's called ASTR, okay? And as you see, it's not loofah.
It's not deep,
It's not invasive.
and it's not like one of those light massages that's like, God, please get your hands off.
I'm actually gonna go deep with the same instrument, but because this is the first session, actually I'm gonna do a deep for scar tissue release.
Okay.
But actually we can go deep with those instruments. So the range of motion we had was 50 and 100. So let's try it again. Abduction.
Abduction.
Yeah. Okay. How does feel?
That's where the pain starts right there.
Okay, now it's 65 in just a few minutes. It was
Cool.
50. Let's do the flexion. All the way. Now it's 120. It was 100. So 20 degrees in, 15 degrees. Okay, set up. And go back, get the curl on the upper extreme. Bring your arm up. Can you tell the difference?
Well, I keep mine a little higher.
You were tired. Okay, let's do the flexion. Like this. Was that?
Higher.
Again,
I'll keep it there for a long time yet? No.
Yeah, you had fractures.
But that's better than it was before when we walked in.
Can you tell the difference in a few minutes?
Yeah.
I'm not expecting full range of motion. She had fracture, so I give it do a deep fascia release and scar tissue release. I'm using this as instruction videos. Thank you for allowing us to do that. Make me know that's beautiful. Where did you feel the tightness when you did the range of motion?
In my arm,
Yeah. The back.
it had some in the front when I was doing the forward, and when I was doing the abduction, it was coming from the back.
You already have a lot of fibrosis. You can.
21 years.
And you working with your hands. I'm not surprised. I worked in a lot of massage therapists, man. You guys, I'm sorry. Just
Took care of myself and stuff for the last couple of
yeah, that's good to stand in the front with the camera. It's good to work on the front and the back.
You know, I have a sports bra on. You want me to take this off? You should help me, though.
You got your head with the accident?
Oh, yeah.
The front?
Oh, yeah.
We're heavily our penis comfort with that.
No, it feels rather good.
Is it painful here?
No,
And reflection? How's that?
better.
Okay. How's that? Where you feel the tightness?
I'm feeling it here.
Relax.
It's going down my elbow. I knew that was going to happen.
Fantastic.
I'm glad I dressed properly.
That's good. Really perfect. Yeah. I usually tell my patient that you're the best patient. So you're the best patient.
For the moment.
Well, the patient are good. Is that painful or discomfort? I'm using a different instrument. I call it E5. We have 5 instruments, each for different issues. Is that painful? It's okay. So come up and bring it up. How's it feel?
Still tight, but better. Now
Going further, let's do that abduction, put up and to the side. How's that?
much better.
Yeah, you don't
Still
feel
feeling it here, but not the pain I normally would feel. And I feel like the muscles ready to start spasming.
You feel
I don't feel like it.
Man, the constant 5 out of 10, do you still feel that or it's gone? The
No.
constant pain.
It's there. I can feel it going down through my thumb.
Which is healing fortune.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm not expecting much because the fracture, we can do a lot of different stuff here. If it's purely soft tissue, you can see different results. But because the fracture, even though it's 4 months ago, there's a different protocol. And I will do after the video. I just want to show how few minutes of treatment, how much patient can be in range of motion. Okay, try it again. Watch it here. Up. How's that? And abduction. And bring it up. How's that? So let's lie in your back and we'll measure it again. So for whoever does not believe their eyes, so they can see the numbers. Okay? Abduction.
It helped with my mobility. Been giving it more range without a lot of pain. No pain or gain. I'm feeling no pain and I'm gaining. So I'm all
Beautiful.
thumbs up.
Awesome.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.